Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to type in mother tongue. Typing in your mother tongue enables clear communication with your community. Open settings on your phone and tap on General. Now tap on the keyboard and then tap on Keyboards. Then we will tap on Add New Keyboard. Now you can scroll through the list and select your mother tongue. For example, Hindi. Now tap on Done, which is in the top right corner. Once you have added the language, open any app where you use typing. For example, WhatsApp. Now, when you text someone, you will be able to see a globe icon in the bottom left corner. Tap on it and you will be able to choose the language of your choice. Now you can start typing in your mother tongue using the new keyboard layout. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any need seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.